Okay, this is continuation of integration by inspection. This is the third rule. It says that the integral of e to the power f of x times f prime x dx is equals to e to the power f of x plus c. Meaning that in order for you to apply this rule, this here must be the derivative of whatever is the power of e. Okay, now let's look at the first example. Find the integral of e to the power minus 5x. So in this case, my f of x is equals to minus 5x. So my f prime x will be equals to a negative 5. Right. So I have to rewrite it in the form that will satisfy the rule. So this equation will be the integral of e to the power minus 5x times minus 5 dx. Now how do I get rid of this? I have to multiply by negative 1 over 5. Right, then I can apply the rule. So finally, the solution to this will be negative 1 over 5 e to the power minus 5x plus c as the answer. Right. Now let's look at example number 2. Try it. So number 2, we have to find the integral of e to the power sec 3x times sec 3x tan x. Right. So again, in this case, our f of x is equals to sec 3x. Now, what's the derivative of sec 3x? It will be 3 sec 3x times tan 3x. Now, we have to rewrite this whole equation. So, it's going to be equals to integral of e to the power sec 3x times 3 sec 3x times tan 3x dx. Now, how do we get rid of this 3? You have to multiply by 1 over 3. Now, it satisfies the rule. We can just apply the rule. So, it's 1 over 3 e to the power sec 3x plus c as the answer. So, this again is one of the easiest rules. Now, let's look at the fourth and the last rule. Right. So this one says that integral of a to the power f of x times f prime x dx is equals to a to the power f of x all over ln a plus c. So it means that in order for you to apply the rule, this has to be the derivative of whatever is the power of a. Right, let's look at the example. So we have the integral of 5 to the power cos pi x times sine x dx. So again, in this case, my f of x is equals to cos pi x. So what is the derivative of cos pi x? It will be negative pi sine pi x. Now let's go back to the equation and rewrite it. So it's going to be the integral of 5 cos pi x times negative pi sine pi x dx. Now, how do we go back to the original form? We have to multiply by negative 1 over pi. Now, it satisfies the rule. We can apply it. So, it's negative 1 over pi times, let's do the square bracket. So, it's it's 5 to the power cos pi x all over ln of 5 plus c, close bracket, plus c, right? Then this can also be written as equals to negative 1 over pi ln 5 and times 5 cos pi x plus c as the answer. I hope it's clear. Right? Or better yet, you can write it as -5 cos pi x all over pi ln 5 plus c as the answer. Right. Looking at example number 2. So example number 2, we just have to first write it in the correct format. So this will be 2 to the power ln x times 1 over x dx, separating the variables just so it's clear what is happening. So in this case, my f of x is equals to ln x. Then what is my f prime? My f prime x is 1 over x. Is the rule satisfied? Yes, it is. So in this case, we're going to have our answer is 2 ln x all over ln 2 plus c is the answer. So that's the solution to this example. So this is the last part of our integration by inspection. I hope it's clear and that you guys understand. So should you come across a mixed up question of inspection, maybe rule 1, 2, 3, or 4, must be able to see which rule to apply, and then you simplify when needs be, and then you start applying the necessary rule. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe.